Hey all, it's Adam from Metro Hobbies, and I'm really excited today to talk about the new Aeldari Codex as well as all the awesome Aeldari figures that we have here at Metro Hobbies. So let's get stuck into it, shall we? Alright guys, so who are the Aeldari? The Aeldari are a faction in the Warhammer 40k universe. They are sort of like space elves, for lack of a better word. A very odd summary there, but they really are. They are a faction of an old race. They have been around for millennia. They used to control a majority of the galaxy until they fell to their own hedonism. So really cool bit of backstory there. But you can find all that out in the new codex. So the new codex Aeldari, the Aeldari, this will give you a rundown on all the units in the in that faction. You will find rules, you will find backstory on leaders, the history, all that fun stuff. A really good read and an absolute essential if you plan to lead the Aeldari to victory in the grim darkness of the 40k universe. To go alongside that, you will need your base units, Guardians. These are the bread and butter of an Aeldari army. They are essentially just everyday civilians drafted into a war. Fantastic units on the battlefield. They paint up really nice and very distinctive. You also have your Warlocks there, psychic, powerful units to have on your battlefield, protect your leaders, that sort of thing. Really quite cool. We do have Morgan Ra here, who is one of the leaders of the Aspect Warriors. The Aspect Warriors, the Dark Reapers in particular, they are quite cool. We'll actually bring him up because he is an absolute gorgeous miniature there. I really like the whole Grim Reaper aspect they got going on there. Really quite cool. And you can, you can really get a feel for how much this guy enjoys death, which is quite awesome. Along with that, the data cards are an essential. They will give you the quick cards for the rules and rules of abilities and units. Very quick reference thing for when you're in the middle of a heated battle against any of the terrible alien forces in the 40k world. And of course, if you really want to spice up your Aeldari army, you've got to have the Aeldari dice. Really quite cool there. I love the symbols on the one. You never want to be rolling a one, but if you do, well, yeah, it's quite cool to see that come up. So that just about sums up all the awesome stuff we have here at Metro Hobbies for the new Aeldari Codex and the units to go along with it. So lead the craft worlds to victories, guys. You know you want to, and we will see you in the next video. Check the description, of course, for all this stuff, and we'll catch you next time.